not too far. Nan, Babo Kabalen, kumusta kayo po? Welcome to Pampanga. For today's video, nandito po tayo ngayon sa Azure North. And we were invited by Heaven's Den, Pampanga to come and check out. Tignan natin guys, we're gonna be staycationing tonight with my family. Hi guys! Ayun, so currently nasa 27th floor tayo. We're gonna get inside, samahan niyo po ako. Let's go! We are staying at 2705. Ayan, so this is Heaven's Den Transient Home dito po sa Azure North. So as soon as you enter, we have this welcome note over here. Ayan. And then this is actually a studio room. So what do you have here? Meron tayong single bedroom. Size natin dito, it can accommodate up until 2 or 3 maximum. We have a small, like a sofa or a bench. We also have a small table here. Okay, let's talk about the appliances. The mga basic appliances that you have. First off, napakalaking LCD TV. You can actually watch your favorite YouTube or Netflix. This microwave oven, refrigerator. It's a 2-door refrigerator. Ang laki niya. And then meron din tayong cooking range, and then a range hood. This is your sink. Meron din tayong toilet and bath. So, yung property natin has an access to this balcony. In here, you have 2 chairs and then a high table. And then from here, you can actually have a view of the other tower, which is that one. Ganda. Mahangin. Oh, look at that. One of the amenities dito sa Azure North is this wave pool. Every hour, meron siyang 10 minutes na mag-ooperate, so you're gonna enjoy the artificial wave. Now at my back, ito naman yung parang man-made naman sea. Now look, these are actual sand. Ano talaga yan? Ayan, buhangin talaga yan. So you need to secure a registration before you can get to swim. Hello po. Na-enjoy naming amenities dito is yung man-made beach or this lagoon. So since white sand siya, we can actually, enjoy sand castles or even picking up some shells. Are you enjoying? Oh, last wave, last wave, last wave. Let's go, let's go. Last wave, Luis, come on. Go, go. Alright, so this is our day 2 of our stay dito sa Azure North, Pampanga, and we would like to thank again Heaven's Den Pampanga for inviting us. What a great stay! Sarap ng tulog namin kagabi, and at the same time yesterday, sobrang nag-enjoy talaga yung mga bata dun sa mga pool amenities dito. No, if you're looking for this kind of staycation, again, check out Heaven's Den Pampanga. They also have other rooms, no? If you're looking for a 1-bedroom or studio, available po sila. Let me just read some of the other properties that they manage. So nandito po ang Aurora Borealis Azure. I actually checked this 1-bedroom property. Ang ganda guys, ang laki. It can actually accommodate up until 6 siguro, no? It has a balcony, a view. Napakaganda guys, napakaganda. I assure you. Meron din tayo ditong Dale's Crib in Clark, Pampanga. Meron din tayo ditong private gym at aqua. Go check it out. They also have Pampanga Tip Top Place. Go check it out. If you are a property owner dito po sa Azure, and if you want your property to be managed, we're gonna be providing the number here. Go check out. Call this number if you want profit with your property dito sa Azure, Pampanga. Alright, so there you have it guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends. If you want to stay dito sa Azure, Pampanga, which I really recommend, go check out Heaven's Den, Pampanga. It's also included in the caption. Again, thank you so much for watching. We're in Pampanga. Until our next discovery, peace out. Bye guys.